Umengameli Ramaphosa ugcizelele ubumqoka bokulwisana nodlame olweyamene nobulili. Uthi abantu besilisa kumele kube yibo abahola imikhankaso yemizamo yokubhekana nalesi hlava.
Women suffer at the hands of men in many ways than one, and we therefore should lead in this task, because the task of ending gender-based violence and femicide should not be seen as the responsibility or the burden of women alone. It should also involve men.
Umengameli ukhuthaze abesifazane ukuthi bekhulume bengafeli ngaphakathi uma behlukunyezwa.
We should also, as a society, insist that women should speak out and women should have more control over their own lives and economic independence, which will reduce their vulnerability to violence and to being demeaned.
Inhloko yamajaji kuleli uMandisa Maya ithuse emningi umsebenzi osahlalela iNingizimu Afrika okulwisana nokuhlukunyezwa kwabesifazane nezingane.
Most shamefully, despite all the laudable policy and legislative interventions in place, many of them initiated by the president himself, South Africa has for many years now held the ignominious title of being at the very top of countries that cannibalize their women and children, and has the highest levels of gender-based violence and the plundering of its children.
Le ngqungquthela yezinsuku ezine izophothulwa ngoMgqibelo.